More people in Travis County are dying from overdoses, and the number of deadly fentanyl cases is skyrocketing. Grace Reeder takes an in-depth look at the early data from the Travis County Medical Examiner and the people affected.
Casey Copeland wrote in his journal every day for 6 years. In it, he documents his goals, his workouts, and on a Monday last fall, he wrote this: "Make doctor's appointment." It was his last entry.
I found him there on the bathroom floor, and I had no idea what had happened. It wasn't until I got his toxicology report back.
Copeland died after taking a Valium that had fentanyl in it. His mom says he was struggling with depression after the pandemic hit.
I'll never be the same person that I was before, and as hard as I try, I have good days and I have not so good days.
Copeland's family is far from alone. While we don't usually get overdose death data until the medical examiner's overall report at the end of the year, Travis County Judge Andy Brown asked for the numbers early, and the numbers are startling. In the first 6 months of 2022, there were 118 fentanyl-related overdose deaths. That's the same number we saw in all of 2021. In other words, if that trend continues, our county could have double the number of fentanyl overdose deaths we saw last year.
At first, I thought that it somehow was not comparing apples to apples. I thought this was maybe, it just didn't make sense that this was the numbers I'm seeing for the first 6 months, because frankly, they look a lot like the numbers that we got for the full year last year. And so kind of disbelief at first, and disappointment that this is actually getting worse in our community.
The county is now diving into the data further. They're looking at who's dying and where.
Most of them are along the I-35 corridor of where people are dying of overdoses, but we're trying to look at that a little bit more.
Judge Brown says this just highlights the need for the government, locally and at the state level, to step in and do things like provide Narcan, legalize fentanyl testing strips, and get people mental health resources.
It's something that is not unique to Austin and Travis County. This is something that's happening nationwide. It's happening statewide in Texas. It's getting worse. I think people need to focus a lot more on this.
Meanwhile, Copeland's mom says she'll keep telling her son's story with the hopes of warning others before it's too late.
My assumption is that he wanted to get a good night's sleep, get ready for his work week, and he didn't make it.
Grace Reeder, KXAN News.
Travis County is expected to release more information about the demographics of that data tomorrow. We'll have that on KXAN.com and tomorrow night on KXAN News. Well, digging deeper, there is a potential tool to help reduce the number of deadly overdoses. A small testing strip, usually costing around $2 a piece. The strips help alert a drug user if fentanyl is mixed into a drug. These testing strips are classified under Texas law as drug paraphernalia, making them illegal to have. State Representative James Tallarico of Austin filed a bill for the upcoming legislative session in January to decriminalize those testing strips.